98310 50,000.
A very warm welcome to each one of you from the International Institute of Hotel Management, Hyderabad campus. Our campus began at Hyderabad about 4 years ago in 2014 May, which is located in the tech city of Gachibowli. And here we've been countering 4 years of existence with my first batch of students, which graduated this year across the world in various verticals of hospitality divisions. It is extremely nice to say that they've been doing so well, and I have more than 200 students existing right now from all over the country who are coming here and studying at Hyderabad. I start showing you my campus and taking you on a campus show around by the lounge. The lounge is a place where all our first guests come down and meet us for the very first time. It's the first place of contact for everyone who is coming to IIHM. So this is my front office, my lounge, and my students and my people working.
Now we are going towards our front office lab. It is named as Lufthansa, as you can see it over there. So we'll be coming towards the reception desk as we have over here. So she is handling the telephone calls, where we actually learn the basic etiquettes of the telephone handling and everything. All the both internal and external calls as well. And here, as you can see, there is a check-in procedure going on. You can see the guest stretch card over there, and the students are enacting as like the front office staff is taking check-in, and the guest is signing out the bill, checking the folio. Over here, the students are working on the systems. So there is basically few softwares which we always use in our front office, that is PMS softwares, Micros, Fidelio, etc. So students are working on that Excel sheets. Over here also you can see students are finding out the locations of the new hotels, which are mostly basically popular in our country, like Taj, Oberoi's and all. So it's all about like research work and the practical knowledge what we gain in our front office lab.
Hi, this is our resource center where all our books are here. The collections of books are here, and we are here some systems, and our students are using system here where they are getting e-resources from here.
Hello everyone, this is our spice garden, so let's go into our kitchen. In the first year, we are taught like all the basic knife skills, all the basic knowledge about kitchen, its safety and how to handle the kitchen. So in the second year, the students have been taught about all the regional cuisines of India along with the Indian international soups. And then in third year, we are being taught all the international cuisines with all the international soups with confectionery and bakery.
Good morning one and all. Welcome to our restaurant. This is the basic restaurant which takes you to the advanced level. We are starting from the basic setup of the table cover and all, 3-course menu basic, and it takes students to the advanced alcoholic beverages. And we have the W set here from the IIHM. We have a great opportunity. I had this opportunity, I utilized it. And we have a whiskey tour and wine tour options also, which takes the students to exactly the manufacture of vineyards.
Sherry butts. Okay, so hence this name Double Wood coming through. 40% ABV for this. Let's have a nose of it. We'll any vanilla coming through.
Told me that we have a lot of singletons here, and this is a singleton also. But the process must be same.
Increased our brewing capacity. We're going to being a microbrewery. Get brought over to there. The gin gets bottled. Loads of machine. Bottles of original gin that have little.
Lady went to live in England. So my father was born in England and he went into the wine trade. He was an importer, distributor, so I say that I was more or less born in a bottle. I was brought up on wine, started drinking it, I'm told, at about the age of 2, and was apprenticed when I grew up to a border wine shipper.
First year we have come to IIHM, and I must say I'm very, very happy to see the facilities here.
IIHM, I think, is a very wonderful college with the kind of students and the student mix that you have. I feel there's a great potential in the students. they're very open to the industry.
Thank the management for allowing us to conduct the campus interviews here. It's still a young campus. I'm sure they'll be able to give us more talent for us coming years.
Suggestion for future hoteliers, I think you should, when you go into the industry, you should go in with an open mind and accept whatever is coming your way. Be well groomed, be punctual and have a good attitude towards work. Because since I'm from the forces background, it is said, the more you sweat in peace, the less you bleed in war. So the more mehnat that you do today, when you go back into the industry, it will be a very fruitful tenure that you'll have at the industry.
Been very encouraged by speaking to and interacting to the students here. They show a lot of promise, and I must say they'll definitely do extremely well in their future careers. We've been very encouraged by the fact that we've interviewed quite a few of them, and we feel that if they join us, they'll definitely be a credit to our organization and grow in our organization as well.
You guys are doing a fantastic job by getting people like us coming and addressing the students. And I think this is what we missed when we were in school, of people from the industry coming and talking to us about the industry. And I think as IIHM, we're doing very well in bridging the gap as to what is happening in real to what it is at a school person's life. So.
Mix and match soft with crunchy is plated in a certain way. Thank you.
When I see IIHM, I think the industry interaction and the exposure, the focus, there is a discipline of doing it, looking at beyond your students, celebrate hospitality by students globally. That is path-breaking. This is the one.
All of you want to make a career in Indian food, go back and first study Indian cuts of meat. In books, you get Western cuts of meat, and that's what we study. Right from the moment you learn something, you have to learn to apply it to your own cuisine and do it's a little bit of hard work because there are no ready books that explain it like that. But everything that you learn can be applied into the context of Indian cuisine.
Last year when we launched our first food festival with our third year students, it happened really well and we had a lot of support and a lot of encouragement.
Hotel management was one of the things that students have asked me for many times. सर आप ट्रिपल आईटी लेके गए, गूगल लेके गए, सर हमको कुकिंग करना है, सर हमको होटल मैनेजमेंट करना है. We have students from science. We have students here who are preparing for their IIT examination and want to explore hotel management.
Excited? Yes. Okay, I get to know from Mr. Bharadwaj. Thank you so much, Mr. Bharadwaj, for this entire outing for the students. I definitely have learned from your email that this is a part of the career day,
Right.
which in fact I was very excited to see. So I will not be getting into and boring you about exactly what we do and what exactly is our main curriculum and academics, but definitely I would like to let you know that today is a fun day for each one of you. Fun along with a lot of experiences that you'll be carrying from here.
So Young Chef of India, this is the 7th season. This is the 7th season. I'm the winner of the 7th season. I'm telling you guys, this is the best opportunity who have interest, who really take food as their passion. The love for food should run in your blood. Then this is the best thing you can do.
And it has been a long journey for Trisha from where she started and where she reached. So definitely IIHM Hyderabad has played a big role. But we are even looking at taking it to a next level. The affiliation between Hyderabad Public School Begumpet and the IIHM. We are planning to start soft skills in terms of table manners, dining etiquettes, dressing sense, etc., etc. There we are looking at partnering with IIHM so that their expertise, our platform and our students, we build a curriculum where sometimes their resource people can come and teach our students here, and sometimes our students can go to their facility and learn from there. So I think IIHM not only so far has done very well in terms of Hyderabad Education Circle and students, but I as a principal even see future very bright between IIHM and us, and IIHM playing a very, very important role in building students for future.
IIHM 98310 50,000.